was building this nice toy, and you might have missed it that I was building it. So let's take it apart and experience what I was building.
I'm gonna vlog the pee experience. We're gonna rate the bathrooms. Toy! Wow, look, Anna, there's some grass over here.
In a while.
Hey, girl.
Are you raising a barn? Kinda, sorta.
Field trip, Wendy's bathroom. Hey.
You guys have to go to every single nasty bathroom there is in this.
What you gonna do? These people are gonna give us weird stares.
Put it down to your waist so it doesn't look like a videotape.
Oh, Josh, that's such a great idea. Ew, stop doing that. So,
That wasn't so bad.
Wilson, where are you? What do we want?
Get in the car, Michael, we're leaving. Get in the car.
Oh yeah, do it again. Just ready, come do that too. Do it together.
Ready?
Where are you?
Stay in your bed.
Alright.
You have to speak up. You have to speak really loud because I can't hear you.
What up, son? My name is Jeff.
Firework place.
What's up?
Let's go.
Mikey.
Guys, we need to go there. There's fireworks. Look at that big go there. Look, son.
No.
It's like 5 stories of
Can't see it, but that's cool. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Fireworks.
You're not funny.
But that's what's funny about him is that every time he says stuff like that, it comes out and it's just like, what?
That's for Josh.
For him, it comes so naturally to
Mike and Josh want to see the leg thing.
yes.
Greenville. Hey, pero qué fino.
No, it's Portofino's.
One eternity later.
There it is, the Hilton.
I'm not Paxton's a friend.
Look at the Hilton. Mom already found somebody she knows.
We just got here and it's kind of cold. Check in this way. What are you talking about? It smells really good. It smells like soap. Oh, here we go. Check in. Here we go.
Alright, it smells like soap. So we're on our way to go get the stuff in the car to start.
No. Okay. Everybody can grab something.
My.
No, you can grab that one.
Look at Joy in the bag.
Oh, I forgot about Joy.
Mikey, come
Pencil
here.
markings right there. That's the best part
Okay,
of
that's
it.
gonna be in the bag. That's not for
Michael.
sale.
Oh,
That's only for us.
people are gonna want it. It is really cold. Like here, we set up our table already, and I'll give you a little sneak peek look.
And we already sold something.
And we just sold something.
We're not even open.
And yeah, we're not open yet. It actually starts tomorrow, but I'll show you. I'll give you a little sneak peek starting.
So guys, we're at the conference, so this is not day 1. Say hi, Gracie. Okay.
White it out or something. Look at my room.
Hi.
See, we're not putting
So we got say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. Say hi, Mom.
So how you doing, Joshy? Joshy, my washi. Josh, I just set that up. Oh, there's more now? Okay. Okay. Okay, get the filming.
No, can you help me out here? This you
We got that. Hi. Okay. Say hi, Anna.
Hi.
She's in timeout. Yes, she is. She just doesn't want to make a fool of herself. Gets 8, got 9, got 10. Got the troublemaker.
Hey guys, we're here at the conference, and here's the table. It has like a bunch of stuff. And tomorrow we're gonna have the conference and at the crack of dawn, and we're gonna stay at a hotel. It's gonna be a good time.
Yeah.
Hi, quick trip. Alright, we just got to our hotel residence in Marian, and we're gonna unload now. Hey, Jojo! Jojo doesn't want to get out, it's too cold.
It's too cold in LA.
Good job, Gracie. Oh boy. Let me just squeeze in here.
I did.
Hi, Joey.
Don't touch. You press that, the door's open, and you.
Nobody fart.
Our mom, she's already on it.
Oh no.
Oh.
She already did it.
We walk through the door.
And we open the fridge. Four-legged guest, yes. We have a four-legged guest.
Nice.
I have our fur babies.
That's gross. Our living room, we have a little office area, desk. We have 2 beds. Oh, let's go see the bathroom.
It's a mess.
Really nice. The sink. The royal flush. And Joy is so nervous and excited at the same time.
Just follow the smell.
Yeah, it smells really good. You're just uncomfortable. Dad, what are we gonna have for breakfast?
Looking at my mouth.
What are we having for breakfast? Alright, so we just got here to the hotel. We're gonna go in and hopefully we have a few people buy stuff before Mass.
Hello.
Why are you doing that?
What are you doing?
Video.
What are you videotaping?
And what do you want to say?
That I love you.
No,
No?
you love me, but Shaky's time. Daddy, say cheese.
Cheese.
I can't see it. Cheese.
Cheese.
Look at this, look at this. Some altar boy suddenly, after the mass, maybe, you know, yeah. Yeah, Dad, look at this. That, what means, Father? No protection.
We're here at Olive Garden. Oh my lord, it is packed. Alright guys, we got the goods. Here we go. We got the goods.
Yes, we do.
I'm starving. I'm so hungry.
We're gonna have a feast now.
See? I gotta put that out.
It's okay.
Okay, we're signing off. Ready? This
Signing off.
Okay, you guys.
And that's a wrap. Oh, I thought you were saying
No, we're gonna do like Father Wade does. And that's a wrap.
And my feet are killing me.
My feet are not. My feet
All right, we did great. We almost sold everything.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Fantastic.
It was great.
Met a lot of great people.
It's my
Had a
favorite.
great time. It was a full moon out.
Speakers, meeting with people, meeting our friends from last year, making good friendships.
It's great to be surrounded by other Catholic
good, strong, traditional Catholic. Yeah. They're on fire.
We love Marian, the Eucharist.
Church. We're gonna stand for the truth. We're not taking any baloney.
That's right. No baloney.
No full of beans.
No beans,
No.
okay?
It's funny. I watched the show last night.
Oh wow, this is.
Dirty Jobs on baloney.
Okay then.
Heading home. At least we're not
Yes.
full of
What are we eating for dinner, babe?
bologna sandwiches.
No way. I'm having a drink tonight.
We're gonna do
Put
bologna.
that out.
Bologna sandwiches in honor of Charlie.
Where are you going? Yes. No. Charlie, I love you, but no, I'm not having a baloney.
I thought we were gonna go downtown.
How do you
Not
get over there?
now.
How do you get over there?
How do you get on the way?
How do you get back to the hotel?
I go that way. Where'd you go?
I went that way.
No, I went
That's
to go
just
that
because
way.
we went to Olive.
My footies for 40. Goodbye.
All right.
Signing
See
out.
you later.